chips for too. Yeah, you do.
I know, I saw that.
Hey, you didn't do my
Okay, Kara.
You didn't do my
On
iPhone.
top of the daddy's truck, sitting on the boat.
Hey, you didn't dip my iPhone.
Huh?
You didn't dip my iPhone.
I can.
Starting to
I
look
can
like
sit
a
in
home
your
again,
lap.
Miss Cindy.
I can in your lap. I can't sit in your lap. I can sit in your lap. Whose lap can I sit in? I bet she'll let me take. She will. She's my buddy. Uh-huh.
You can stand right here. I can be like in the fireworks and it pops and I die. No. I said you could come stand right here.
He's up there. He's got them eyes.
These shoes are cool. These new shoes are cool.
Did your mama like them?
You might try to steal them from me.
Probably.
Yeah, we never
Whoa.
went under this. We did is park on the side road.
Remember we had that one out of you can see one of them turn my lap.
Right in the street.
I know.
Right there.
Because
Because he's still getting better.
My mom, why am I surprised? That's the biggest one yet. The flowers were good. That one's the biggest one now. That one is.
Oh, you're welcome. See, we went here last year when the first year.
So
We were still on vacation. So we didn't get to see it either.
I'm not ready for a big one.
Addie, don't lean back.
Disney moment be like.
Big one! Big one! Hey, no! I call big one.
See, Elaine, I told you we'd be back in
Open
time.
this, please.
Miss Cindy, I brought you a Gatorade because I knew it'd be hot.
Because I just go all the way up without us even seeing. Mom, why is it right
Don't like your new chairs?
Why is it right Yes. Mommy, why is it right That one
It's
red
not,
one.
baby. It's just where they're blowing up. It's not like
No, that red one. When they right there. Oh, how did it go? I'm right there. Keep watching. And it's a sheep on right there. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. There's almost good one.
It was funny, I got a buddy named Alan that's literally over there.
Well, we didn't make it back in time to go inside.
I know he said if
Sorry.
we made it back in time and the gates didn't close, I'd be able to see him.
That one has to be. This is a trick. Imagine yellow one is so far. Imagine that one just came up and it puked and it was so down. Imagine a puke was coming and we didn't know it was that big.
Can I get some chips, please?
Yeah, there's another bag too.
Mommy, Allie has the sour cream.
She's got those.
Mommy,
What, baby?
the flowers are almost too high. Why was some so little?
What What do you need?
Yeah. One little is behind the house. The kitty see the house.
See if there's a blue Gatorade over there. Oh my God, my shoes cannot go stacked on top of each other. Give me one more blue one.
How many did you need? 2 blue ones? Oh, that's cool. Not that big. No, the pretty one. Let's see who can beat that orange and yellow. That one was the biggest. Wow. That one! Oh, no, not even close. It went farther out than that one.
I've seen bigger.
That one's that's the nobody. Did you see that? Yes. Did you see that? That one. Oh. Remember the flower street right out of this school? That one. Yeah, that one's the biggest. Look, you can still see it. The green one made a heart. That green one made a heart.
Yeah, it's
Dominic!
Nevaeh. It's gonna suck for the people that's over there. Do I know why? Because they're gonna be dealing with all the debris falling.
And one can just like tip over and hit one of the houses.
Yep.
Yeah, that's that house. That's that house. That's it's like these.
No, it's not lightning, baby. It's just the flash after the fireworks.
Oh, it's like these. You see? But like, I would hate just to tip over and hit the person that's sliding them, or just like to poof the house.
Man, they don't use no regular lighter. They just press buttons. For this much fireworks,
Yo, that one. Oh! Oh! Tucker. Hey, Mommy, can I come sit with him right here?
I've missed him. I'm done.
He knows that.
Tucker.
Did y'all eat your supper?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
No, I've been back. She was running. Well, you were running out the house twice. I mean, Dad told you to get in the house. No, Carmen said you got the home and then you shipped us, so then you got shipped away.
I can hear the band.
Over.
Nope.
I love that one coming.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That was a big. Look at the pretty color. Oh, that was that orange and yellow one.
Man, y'all should see the fireworks we have in the closet that we're gonna be shooting off.
We've seen fireworks before, buddy. Yes, we did. Like, one's bigger than that house. Did you hear lightning, Mom? That's not lightning, Jackson.
It's not lightning, baby.
That's a spider one. That was a spider one. Right, Mommy? That was a spider one.
Yep, that was a
And
spider.
guess what? It's only yellow spider on the ship of wings. Yeah, I found a green spider with only 4 legs. 4? It was thrown right at me. Right there? Only right at Jackson. Yeah. It might got out in the wet, and we found out it was poisonous. That green blue one. How big was it? These ones,
y'all having a race about which one's the biggest? Y'all having a race about see which one's the
I
biggest?
love your outfit.
Thank you, Kendi did. And then she did a American, but I wiped it off. I wiped it off because I didn't like it. What?
Keep telling on you, Miss Cindy.
None of them are bending that one. That one did. That one did. Let's see the one that could be the purple. When the girls bend more comes up, it pops loud. Now Bonnie close, isn't it? Yeah, I'm done with these fireworks.
This has been going for 13 minutes straight already.
This is not okay, honey. You need your hands. Look! We're about to pop in the air. 3, 2, 1, pop in air. 3, 2, 1, pop in air. Whoa! Pop in the air. 3, 2, 1, pop in the air. 3, 2, 1, pop in the air.
Bryce, get back here.
One little lady.
Sit down.
She was the first one.
No, go bring us up. Somewhere else. We're watching. Daddy.
Is it done?
It's
I said, you put on vacation. I said, I'm standing right by your side now. No,
That's all.
nobody bother me.
Yeah.
Mama,
They got big
Mom, we
stuff.
have more dummies.
I don't know, baby. I think they will.